Hey there guys, I have strep throat, so today's video will be presented by Oliver the AI. Today we'll be painting Taroya the Pit Fighter from Reaper miniatures to the ultimate level standard. First thing we want to do is use a scalpel or other such sharp blade to trim the casting line off the model. Make sure you take care during this stage and only cut away from yourself. Ultimate level miniatures come with a base and a little pot of gravel. Grab some superglue and stick her to her base. Next, add a little more glue to the top of her base and sprinkle the gravel over the top. When this is dry, add a little more superglue and dip her in salt to cover the gaps. I've basecoated the whole model with cursed gold using my airbrush, but you can do this by hand if you prefer. Next, cover the entire model with sepia wash. When this is dry, drybrush the model with a mix of cursed gold and dragon gold. Follow this with a lighter dry brush of dragon gold. Paint the base with dungeon grey. When it has dried, dry brush the top of the base with a mixture of dungeon grey and tawny flesh. Basecoat her cloak, loincloth and crest with cinnamon red. Then wash all the red areas with sepia wash. Layer her cloak with cinnamon red again, leaving the wash where it has pooled in the recesses. Mix cinnamon red and volcanic orange together and layer up her cloak and crest, focusing on the raised folds and edges. Add some sunrise orange into the previous mix and repeat, concentrating on the most prominent points. Basecoat her metal areas with a mix of dungeon grey and tarnished steel. Highlight these areas with tarnished steel. Basecoat her leather boots and the wooden parts of her shield with dungeon grey. Mix some tawny flesh into this and layer up the face of the shield. Paint her skin with swarthy flesh. Wash this with Sepia wash. When that is dry, layer her skin with bronzed flesh. And with that, the model is done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and we will see you soon.